Ever tried reaching out to Salesforce HR and found yourself lost in links, menus, or just unsure where to start? Don't worry. Today, I'm breaking down exactly how to contact Salesforce HR in 2025 with a clear, simple walkthrough that anyone can follow. Before you reach out, think through what you need, whether it's about job applications, employee support, benefits, or verification. Having a short note of your questions or any reference info can make the process smoother once you connect with the right person. Start by opening your web browser and heading over to the official Salesforce website. When you land on the homepage, you'll notice their clean, user-friendly layout. From there, shift your attention to the top right corner of the screen. That's where the Contact Us option lives. Click it. Once that page opens, Salesforce offers multiple ways to reach HR depending on how urgent your situation is and how you prefer to communicate. You'll generally see three primary options: request a call, start a chat, or make a direct phone call using the number they provide. Let's break those down so you can choose the right one. If you want immediate help or have a quick question, the live chat or direct phone option is typically the fastest. Clicking chat opens a real-time message box where you can briefly explain what you need. A representative usually jumps in pretty quickly and guides you from there. If you'd rather talk to someone over the phone without waiting on hold, the request a call feature might be the smarter move. You'll fill out a short form, usually just your name, contact details, and a short explanation of your inquiry. From there, someone from the appropriate HR team gets in touch, already knowing what you're calling about, which saves a lot of back and forth. Calling directly is also an option, and the number is clearly shown once you're on the contact page. To get the fastest response, reach out during regular business hours and have any relevant document IDs or case details in front of you. That alone can speed things up dramatically. No matter which option you pick, the key is matching the method to your urgency and communication style. Need something sorted quickly? Start a chat or call right away. Want a scheduled conversation with the right specialist? Request a call and give them context up front. By following those steps, homepage, top right contact button, then choosing your communication method, you'll be connected with Salesforce HR without getting bounced around or stuck in limbo. If this guide made the process feel a whole lot clearer, stick around for more tutorials like this. And if you're gearing up to actually contact Salesforce soon, now you're set up to do it confidently and efficiently. Thanks for hanging out, and good luck with your outreach.